안녕. 여기는 안.
안녕, 나는 안.
여기는 을.
안녕, 나는 어스.
오늘은 태국 친구들이랑 언어 교환 시간을 가질 거예요. Language exchange time. So what are we gonna do today?
Yeah, let's flip the page and
Flip the page?
yeah.
This
So
one?
we have some animal sound we want to learn.
Yeah, actually I'm so into learning about animal sounds.
Why? Why do you want to learn about animal sounds?
Because it's cute.
That's a pretty bad question.
Mm.
What? that's like you're saying what the are you doing right now?
Animal sounds. I know how to say in Thai. Siang sat. Right?
So
Where are you going?
so we can start off by like the basic animal sound. The first one is
Ma.
yeah, dogs. In Thai, dog sound is like hong hong.
Yeah, you're lying, right? It's not a dog sound.
Hong hong, yeah. And another one is
Bok bok.
Korean is mong mong. Udurong.
Udon.
When the dog is angry. Udurong.
Now you're angry. Can you make that again? Make that sound.
Udurong. Udurong.
Kid is angry. I think for Thai people we'll say hair. 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 The same thing as Let's move on.
so cats.
In Korean. Yaong. 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 Yaong.
Young.
No. Yaong. Yaong.
Yao.
Yao.
Yaong.
Yao.
Yao.
Oh yao.
Yaong.
อะไรยาว
ไม่ใช่ยาว Yaong yaong. อะไรยาว
อะไรยาว
So in Thai it's like meow.
เหมียว
Meow. It's
Meow.
meow like this.
That's
Meow.
too realistic.
So when the cat sounds like meow, the Thai people call them like meow, which is pretty close.
Oh yeah, actually in Korean as well. The cat sounds yaong yaong, and some people just call cat yaonga, yaonga,
But it's not the
yaongi, yaongi.
it's not the formal
Like-
term for that.
So like if there's a cat, yaonga.
So this is her cat.
Actually this is the
Let's move on.
Pig.
무.
Uh,
꿀꿀꿀꿀.
what is
What?
that from your mouth?
Repeat after me. 꿀꿀꿀꿀.
Can you keep making more?
꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀. 꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀.
Can you keep doing it?
Why? 꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀꿀. Why?
Can you keep doing it?
No, I want to know Thai sound.
Thai sound is like
No, it's not Thai sound. So
No,
for
it's-
Thai people, we mimic the sound as ut ut.
Oot oot
Mm-hmm.
doesn't sound like pigs.
actually yours is
The gur gur it doesn't sound like pig as
Goo
well.
goo goo doesn't sound like pig either, kid. It doesn't goo goo goo.
No.
I don't even know how pig making that sounds though. Like
No, 꿀꿀꿀꿀.
go
Go. Let's move on.
Okay, cows. 음메.
are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Man, my
음메. Not me.
It sounds pretty much like a sheep. Meh.
cow sounds man.
음메.
No.
음메. No,
It's even worse.
no, it should be a little low.
Man.
음메.
Meh.
Man.
음메.
For Thai people, we have it like more.
Momo. That doesn't sound like
More. See? It sounds just like cow. It makes sense, not man. What kind of cow makes man? It doesn't
meh.
make.
You have
I
to
can't
add-
imagine
No,
a
you
cow
have to-
making that
You
sound.
have to add meh.
Sing.
Can you do the realistic version?
Let's move on.
Goat
in
and
Thai.
sheep. Meh.
Yeah.
Meh.
Thai people we go ba ba ba.
Meh. Meh.
So it's like ba.
What can you say the cow sound?
Meh.
So maybe back in the old days.
There were only sheep and goats, and then people tried to come up with a new type of animal, so they finally invented the first cow, and it sounds pretty much like sheep.
Meh. Let's
Let's
move
move
on.
We can move on to the chicken.
'Cause you